Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you some demonstrations that you can perform with a handheld Tesla coil. Check this out. So the first question you're probably asking is it safe? So if I hit my hand with the plasma, I can feel a little bit of heat coming off of it, but not enough to cause any pain. Let's see if there's enough heat coming off my handheld Tesla coil to burst a balloon. Yep. Okay, so if it produces enough heat to pop a small balloon, would it ignite a hydrogen balloon? Let's find out. So all I'll use to make our hydrogen-filled balloon is hydrochloric acid, a 100 milliliter flat bottom metric flask, a small balloon funnel, and some aluminum foil. So this will be the single displacement reaction between 12 molar hydrochloric acid and aluminum, which will create aluminum chloride and displace hydrogen gas that will trap in this little balloon. So the first step is just to tear off and wad up some small balls of aluminum foil that you can fit down the neck of the flask. And I would just make 3 or 4 of these to produce a little bit of hydrogen gas to fill your balloon. But make these small enough to fit down the neck of your flask. Next, I'll pour 50 milliliters of 12 molar hydrochloric acid into my flat bottom metric flask. Okay, so I made 4 little pellets of aluminum. When you add that to your hydrochloric acid, the reaction will take a minute to begin because there's a little bit of a veneer on your aluminum foil, so the hydrochloric acid has to corrode through that to reach the aluminum. So you have a little bit of time to stretch your balloon over the neck of your flask, and so I would inflate your balloon a few times, stretch it so it's easy to get over the neck of your flask. Okay, so here we go. Let's get those down there. I'm gonna have to take my gloves off to work this balloon over the neck of the flask. There we are. And right away, your balloon should start to fill with hydrogen gas. Then tie off your balloon. Now for the moment of truth. Will our handheld Tesla coil ignite our hydrogen balloon? Here we go. Oh, it did. Wasn't that cool? I wonder if it'll have enough heat to ignite our propanol cannon. Check this out. It did! Let's see if it's strong enough to excite some of our gas ampules. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's try butane bubbles. No problem. That lit right up. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.